Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Free at last, free at last.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got...
Good morning. Y'all, my room is a mess. They say what your room looks like is what your mind looks like, and my mind was super chaotic the last couple weeks of school because of finals and stuff. And so we're gonna get this together. But first I'm going to make breakfast, and then we're gonna put this bed stuff in the wash, and then we're gonna clean before we get our life together, for real, for real.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Hi. Okay, so I'm actually officially done with school.
Cut the show. I'm done.
It was still finals week, so like even though I didn't have to go into school, there was still like papers and projects and stuff I had to do. And today I just finished my Zoom.
You got to get on your Zoom.
Which was my final thing, so now I can actually focus on summer. So with that being said, I wanted to break up my cleaning in days, which I would have done anyway, because I don't know how people do it on YouTube when they clean their whole house in one day. Like, that would just burn me out and I would hate myself. So, oh, my light died. Anyway, my goal was to do like my room and my desk by itself, do finals, because that was the most chaotic my room has ever been. And then I was going to do my bathroom and closet on one day. The next day, that didn't happen. I had way too much to do. And then my kitchen and living room. So today is going to be closet and bathroom and laundry, actually, because I need to fold the laundry that I did that day. Then today is the 1st, so I want to redo my calendar, set my goals for the month, my goals for the summer period, and yeah. Oh, and my budget goals as well, my budget planner. So let's get the day started, even though it is like the afternoon.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile could.
I feel like this is perfect because I never shown you guys my place. I do not I don't use all of this. This is like stuff from like giveaways or from like brands that I've worked with, and so I haven't even got to try all of it out yet. I really want to get a rug, but I'm so picky, I don't know what to get. Oh, I just mopped. So I'm just waiting on that, and I feel like I need something up there. And then my trash, it says take me out. I thought it was so cute, but like I really want something like more elegant, you know what I mean? But yeah guys, this is my balcony.
And now I be on me anything start up. Full charge and full carb. You must be sick. And a 17 I drop in a this 45 hit me caught it now miss. Me finger mouse swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. Miss me. I'm in a kill two of them up in a this 45 hit me caught it now miss. Me finger mouse swift, me gun them now stick. Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you man.
Okay, so these were my goals for April. I kept them like really like simple because I knew it was like I was gonna be focused on finals. So they're not that drastic, but I'm gonna go through them and then make my goals for May. And I might tweak these and put them on May goals. I don't know. So get 4 days ahead on all homework. I did do that. I mean, I guess it was like final project, so I didn't really have like homework anymore, but I'm gonna cross that out. Print my comp cards I did not do, but I kind of don't know if I like my digitals, so oh well. Rare retainer every night. I wore it like more than usual, and sometimes I didn't wear it at night. I would wear it during the day because I forgot at night, so I might tweak that for May, but I'm not gonna cross that out. Finished semester with mostly A's, so my final grades haven't came out, but right now I have mostly A's, so I'm just gonna cross it off. Post at least one YouTube video. I did that. Reach 9,150 on TikTok. Wait, let me check. I did not do that. Reach 4720 on Instagram. I did not do that. I'm literally at the same place. I went down and then went back to where I started. Clean top of closet. I clean my closet, but not the top. Eat every morning, which I did. Finish water bottle every day, which I did. Then it's time to make nails with all my colors. Okay, I'm going to do wear retainer for at least 5 hours a day. Okay, same social following goals, except for YouTube. I'm going to post 2 YouTube videos. And then I want to read a couple chapters of Insurgent. I'm rereading it so that I can read Allegiant because I never finished Allegiant when I was younger. And I refused to watch the movie before, like, I've read the book. So we're gonna do a couple chapters on that, and then also a couple chapters on Atomic Habits. I write short stories online and I have like 2,000 readers, and I have been slacking for like years, so we're going to write at least 1 chapter this month. Okay, the last 3 I'm gonna do is learn a new recipe, take drop-in dance classes, and start choreographing for my music video because I need to get serious with my music. Something that I'm not putting on the list, I either want to work out when I can every day, and if I don't work out, then I just want to take a walk, you know? I saw this post one day and it was like talking about like this is better than doing this, and it was like taking a walk every single day is better than buying a gym membership knowing that you're not gonna go ever because you hate that type of workout. Like, at least taking a walk is good. So I'm gonna start that today. I'm gonna go ahead and take a walk today because afterwards I'm gonna chill in the pool and I don't want to be like super sweaty. So let's do it. We're getting the summer started.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one why you fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job,